Hi you guys, I am back. I know I was done on the last video, but I could not go out like that. I said I am going to finish this purse and I'm going to record it. And so what I'm doing, you guys, I am halfway around the purse. I fixed my string and I wanted you guys to see it. So here I am right here. I am just stitching around a 1/4 of an inch around the purse. And I'm taking, each pin out as I go. I'm going around and around, adjusting my bag, adjusting my purse to everything. Okay, you guys see? I'm just sewing this, sewing it, sewing it, and sewing it. And I'm going to back stitch. And you guys, look. I have my lining. I have my lining in my purse. I hope you guys can see it. There it is. I am so excited. Well, thank you guys. I was not, like I said, I was not going to go out like that. I wanted to finish the lining in my bag for you guys. I hope you learned how to do it. Let's bring it in full view right here. There we go. Yay! Bring up my camera a little bit. There we go. Yay! And so, there we are, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys later on the next video. Bye for now.